Hello, this is Anthony coming here from Nutley Kia, about to show you this beautiful 2016 Kia Forte LX. As you can see, it has a nice Tiger Nose grille. It's got the nice beautiful titanium color with the metallic finish, so it has that nice sparkle when the sun hits it. It also has breakaway mirrors, which is beautiful. Also nice silver line on the car with beautiful tail lights. It also has the biggest trunk size in its class, with 60/40 rear split seats. So if you need anything big in the car, just pull on these levers here and push down the back seats. Also, right underneath here, you got a little storage and you got your tire mobility kit. Let's shut this, and also a safety release too inside the trunk. Beautiful when you're sneaking into the drive-in movie theater. Also, it's got a beautiful size back seat. As you can see, got plenty of leg room. I can lay down basically in this. Very clean. Cup holders on the doors. Well, I want to jump on side in the driver. We got power windows over here with power exterior mirrors. Right inside here, you got a height adjustable seat where you can crank the seat up and lower it, which is beautiful. Telescopic wheel, active Vico, automatic headlights. It's got radio controls and Bluetooth controls right on the steering wheel with your active cruise control. Also got a nice size radio, automatic, heat, air conditioning. It's got 7,444 miles, Sportmatic shifting. So if you want a great certified pre-owned car, come see Anthony DeNivo at Nutley Kia.
A certified pre-owned Kia is confidence and reliability for the road. With a fantastic warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection, you can have total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Kia Certified program.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.